I think no investors has to worry. We want all investors to come to Karnataka. There are certain sections of the people who are very talented outside the state. We want them to work in Karnataka. The Karnataka population, especially Bangalore population, has gone 1.4 crores only because outsiders coming here. They are working here. We don't want to harm anyone. We are just looking, we will give them a scopes. There are some suggestions which has come on this issue. We are just looking at it. There are various organizations, but we know the sentiments of various IT, BT people, technicians. We will just look at their angle. We will not.
So they are also asking that they can also call and discuss about.
We will discuss with them. Definitely, we will discuss with them. It is a subject which has come. There is a lot of issues on various reports which has come earlier. We will discuss with them. We know what Bangalore position is that. We should keep. We are more worried than to the employer and the employee both.
So
the employer also should be there. Kannadigas also should be there. Where we can accommodate Kannadigas, where not, we can give them free hand. That we will discuss and we will come back.
Will there be amendments or provisions which will be made into this bill?
We will discuss. Myself, my Chief Minister, we are very much concerned. My Industries Minister is concerned. My IT-BT Minister is concerned on this. It is just a labor issue which has been come. We will come back to you.
The trade body NASSCOM, sir. NASSCOM has issued a statement now, sir, saying that it will take back. Disappointed, sir. A trade body like NASSCOM has made this.
NASSCOM should not be disappointed. We will hear to them.
BJP is saying it's a spineless government, that's why they're just playing with the emotions of Kannadigas.
No, it is not like that. First of all, this kind of a thinking to give priority to Kannadigas itself is something, great for the government. And we are trying to consult everybody and taking opinions and then take a decision.
Will that be discussed in next cabinet, sir?
I don't know, maybe, yes.
I think Chief Minister has given a statement based on certain feedback. So we will look at it again. Whatever we want to do is in the interest of our people and our local people who, who should get benefit from any investment coming into the state. So that is the only intention. So whatever I think people have given some other opinions also. So I think CM has given a statement saying that we will look at it again and review it. So let's see what happens.
Is this decision taken after the backlash by some of the IT companies?
There could have been some responses from various people. So maybe I think based on that they have taken a decision to review it.
BJP is now saying it is a powerless government. That's why they have reviewed it again.
See, in democracy, we should always be open to debate and discussion. This is not an autocracy or a dictatorship. That what I feel I should do. Should always be open for any other points of view also, and then again we can always discuss again. That's the beauty of democracy. It's not a sign of weakness or anything.
ये केवल नाटकबाजी है, इश्यू डाइवर्ट करने के लिए. ये आज माहौल कांग्रेस के खिलाफ है, आज माहौल सीएम सिद्धरामैया जी के खिलाफ है, आज माहौल एकदम इस सरकार के खिलाफ है. उसको इश्यू डाइवर्ट करने के लिए हर तरीका ढूंढ रहा है. वो एक ये नया तरीका है, केवल इश्यू डाइवर्ट करने के लिए. इच्छा शक्ति, बद्धता नहीं है, कमिटमेंट नहीं है.
अगर कमिटमेंट होती तो आप भी सपोर्ट करते.
कमिटमेंट है ही नहीं. कमिटमेंट है तो पहले कन्नड़ा स्कूल बंद हो रहा है. पहले स्कूल के बारे में सोचना, क्यों बंद हो रहा है? कन्नड़ी का मतलब क्या है? कन्नड़ी का मतलब कन्नड़ा स्कूल हर गांव में बंद हो रहा है. उसके लिए कुछ भी नहीं कर रहा है इस सरकार. क्या करता है कन्नडिगों को?
तो आपको लगता है सिर्फ जुमला था?
केवल नाटकबाजी, नौटंकी कर रहा है.
What are you trying to achieve by this? Nothing except thing. And I'm surprised. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has been Chief Minister earlier. He's been finance. He knows everything. D.K. Shivkumar, Deputy Chief Minister for Bangalore, he's trying to build brand Bangalore and everything. He knows.